Why is crypto up today? December 10, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. From here, a period of consolidation between $90,000 and $95,000 over the coming weeks is a probably outcome, says Koinly CEO Robin Singh. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Part of the team since January 2018. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has also written, OKX and Deltix boost U.S. institutional trading. Why is crypto down today? December 9, 2025. Variant, Coinbase Ventures, Gemini and more invest $5 million in Solana staking Transformer Pi Finance. Why is crypto up today? December 8, 2025. Why is crypto down today? December 5, 2025. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. The crypto market is up today, with the cryptocurrency market capitalization increasing by 2.6% to $3.25 trillion. 92 of the top 100 coins have gone up over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $147 billion. TLDR. Crypto market cap increased by 2.6% on Wednesday morning, UTC. 92 of the top 100 coins and 9 of the top 10 coins have gone up today. BTC increased by 2.3% to $92,694. And ETH is up by 6.6% to $3,331. The $90,000 level looks like the bottom for now. A consolidation period between $90,000 and $95,000 over the coming weeks is likely. Investors await the U.S. Fed rate cut decision today. Changpeng Zhao argued that BTC could see a major rally in 2026. Investors should monitor the effects of the news flows on dollar dynamics and safe haven demand. The U.S. allowed national banks to act as intermediaries in crypto trades. US BTC and ETH spot ETFs saw inflows on Tuesday of $151.74 million and $177.64 million, respectively. Strive Asset Management plans to acquire more BTC. Crypto market sentiment posted a notable increase within the fear zone. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 9 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have seen their prices increase over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, is up by 2.3% since this time yesterday, currently trading at $92,694. Bitcoin, BTC, $92, 638.39, 0.10% 24H730D1Y all time. Ethereum, ETH, is up by 6.6%, now changing hands at $3,331. This is the category's highest increase today. The second highest rise is Solana, SOL, S4.4%, trading at $139. It's followed by Dogecoin, Doge, S4.2% to the price of $0.1468. The smallest rise in the category is 0.7% by Binance Coin, BNB, now standing at $893. The only fall among the 10 is 0.4% by Tron, TRX, currently trading at 28 cents. As for the top 100 coins, 92 have appreciated over the past day. Memecore, increased the most among these with the only double-digit rise, 10.2% to $1.45. Cardano ADA follows with a 7.6% rise to $0.4603. When it comes to the red coins, Bitcoin Cash BCH fell the most, 1.8% to $563. LEO token LEO is next, with a fall of 1.3% to $9.54. Traders are focused on the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision on the interest rate cut expected to be announced today. However, many argue that the cut is already priced in. Meanwhile, Changpeng Zhao argued that Bitcoin could see a major rally in 2026, potentially matching gold's performance. a consolidation period ahead. Koinly CEO Robin Singh commented that BTC's recent uptick to almost $93,000 ahead of the U.S. Federal Reserve rate cut decision clearly signals that bulls are firmly defending the $90,000 level, which is now looking like the bottom, at least for now. According to Singh, from here, a period of consolidation between $90,000 and $95,000 over the coming weeks is a probably outcome, as the market waits for a new catalyst capable of driving the next leg higher. However, that kind of pause should not be seen as a negative, he argues. Much of 2024 was defined by consolidation, but a major macro catalyst in that case, the outcome of the U.S. presidential election, triggered a sharp rally across markets. He continues, periods like this often signal maturation rather than weakness, with Bitcoin holding its ground even in the absence of immediate drivers for fresh momentum. Moreover, BitUnix analysts noted that geopolitical uncertainty is rising, so the crypto market sentiment remains cautious. Notably, within the negotiation framework, the US, Ukraine, and Europe remain locked in a three-way tug-of-war. If ongoing negotiation headlines continue to fuel safe haven demand, volatility may be driven by a combination of macro sentiment and liquidity positioning, the analyst said. For now, BTC is watching resistance at $93,200, with support at $90,000 to $91,000. They advise investors to monitor the effects of the news flows on dollar dynamics and safe haven demand, and to assess whether geopolitical noise may spill over into broader risk asset volatility. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Wednesday morning, BTC stood at $92,694. The price recorded a clear jump from the intraday low of $90,040 to the intraday high of $94,489. However, the charts turned red in the 7-day period. BTC is now down 0.3%, but such a small move also means that it's largely unchanged in this time frame. If the coin reclaims the $98,000 to $100,000 range, it could push forward to $105,000 and $110,000. However, if it drops below $90,000, it could pull back to the $82,000 to $85,000 zone. Ethereum is currently changing hands at $3,122. Like BTC, it saw a significant jump earlier in the day, climbing from the day's low of $3,099 to the high of $3,388. That said, unlike BTC, ETH remains green in the 7-day timeframe, appreciating 8.6%. ETH supply has hit a 10-year low, a setup for major rallies. The price could proceed towards $3,400, followed by the $3,500 to $3,600 range. Should it pull back, the price may fall to the $2,900 level. Ethereum, ETH, $3, 326.01 plus 8.73% 24H730D1Y all-time. Meanwhile, the crypto market posted a notable increase on Wednesday morning, even if it still remains in the fear territory. The crypto fear and greed index rose to 30 today from 25 yesterday. It seems that market participants remain highly cautious while experiencing a mild increase in optimism. Even though many argue that the U.S. rate cut is already priced in, today's news could still affect the sentiment. ETFs go green again. Following a day of outflows, the U.S. BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, recorded $151.74 million in inflows. The total net inflow now stands at $57.71 billion. Of the 12 BTC ETFs, a whopping 8 recorded inflows and 1 saw outflows. BlackRock accounts for the entirety of the negative flows, $28.76 million. At the same time, Fidelity saw the highest amount of inflows of $198.85 million, followed by Grayscale's $33.79 million and Bitwise $16.22 million. Moreover, the US ETH ETFs posted another day of positive flows on December 9th, with $177.64 million in inflows. This is the highest amount since late October. The total net inflow now stands at $13.09 billion. Of the 9 funds, 7 recorded inflows and none saw outflows. Fidelity took in the most on Tuesday, $51.47 million. It's followed by Grayscale's $45.19 million and BlackRock's $35.29 million. Meanwhile, Vivek Ramaswamy's Strive Asset Management has announced a $500 million preferred stock offering, aiming to acquire more BTC. It currently holds 7,525 BTC, worth some $695.93 million. Moreover, the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency has allowed national banks to act as intermediaries in crypto trades. They can now buy from one customer and sell to another without holding inventory. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market recorded an increase over the past 24 hours, and the U.S. stock market closed mixed during its previous session. By the closing time on Tuesday, December 9th, the S&P 500 was down by 0.088%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.16%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.38%. Investors expect the U.S. Federal Reserve to lower their policy rate by a quarter percentage point today. Is this rally sustainable? The market is expected to continue moving in this tight range we've been observing for the past month, though major macroeconomic prompts could push it outside that range in either direction. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for December 10th, 2025. The crypto market sentiment showed early signs of stabilization today, with the fear and greed index rising to 26 from yesterday's 22, shifting the market out of extreme fear zone. The improvement coincided with a broad market rebound across major sectors. AI-linked tokens led gains with a 4.46% sector surge, driven by strong performances from FET, plus 9.6%, WorldCoin, plus 6.5%, and Virtuals Protocol, plus 5.5%. Bitcoin climbed 2.49% to reclaim the $92,000 level, while Ethereum rallied 6.21%. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Panic sets in as XRP drops again, but this signal says a massive bounce could be coming. XRP price prediction. $716 million floods into crypto funds. Why are institutions quietly buying XRP right now? Bitcoin price prediction. Bernstein says 4-year cycle is broken as institutions drive an elongated bull market, raises 2026 target to $150,000. Exclusives. Daniel Lee named CEO of Cactus Custody, strengthening its institutional digital asset platform. 2 days ago, by Tanzil Akhtar. Price analysis. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Pepe by the end of 2025. 1 day ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Bitcoin news. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin playbook backfires on 100-plus companies. 3 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 13 minutes ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 6 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 1 hour ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 7 hours ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago, by Ben Beto.